Our next question for discussion is, discuss the significance of population education in India. In India, as we all know, having a largest population as comparison with China. Population constitutes a labor force. But on the other hand, as everything has two aspects, one is good and another is bad. So we need to balance the population. So by this, the education is a lot. By giving the population education, the peoples know that maintaining a minimum population, it is good for the development of an economy, saving the resources. If the large number of population is being increasing, the more and the resources captured, and we are not in a position to save the resources for the next further generation. So we need to save the population and having an optimum level of population so that we can achieve the level of the growth of the development. Why the population education in India lot? In India, peoples are not having a proper education. They are not so much highly qualified. So through the education program, they know that they have to maintain a minimum population, because to maintain them and to provide them all the necessary resources is very necessary duty for the government as well as other people. So through the more and more education participation, we can manage the large population force. Through the education, we change the mindset of our people and we in a position to reach at the optimum level of the population. In India, lot of the peoples are still believing in the traditional aspect, that's more the hand, more the labor force is being there, provide him the educate foods and all. But this concept is wrong, because the more the hands, the more the resources we require for feed them, for their survival. So the population education is very necessary for the people to guide them that they have to maintain a minimum sort of the population in their family, so that it is being easy for the government also to manage the population. If we manage the population, it is being good for a nation, for the resources sharing, for the employment opportunities and all. In India, there is being a lot of superstitious beliefs and all, that the peoples say that only the son is further increasing the family structure. No. Through the proper education, we change the mindset. And if we change the mindset of the people, definitely we achieve a minimum population target, so that the population play a role of progress in the development of a nation, not a hindrance factor. So the population education is being very necessary aspect for the government, and the time to time the government is being raising the various programs to giving the information about the people that they have to maintain the population, they have a minimum number of members in their family, so that it is being easy for them, for the government as well as for him to manage the resources in a well and efficient manner. Thank you all.